Hi, I'm Yuri. I come from a musical family. My mom is a singer and vocal coach, and my brothers are musicians too. Together, we make beautiful music. Today, we're learning music vocabulary. We'll learn new words, explore musical ideas, and unlock the secrets of making melodies. Let's open our magical book of music and start our musical adventure. Pitch. How high or low a note sounds. Rhythm. The pattern of beats and silences. It's what makes you want to tap your feet and dance. Beat. The steady pulse that you feel in music. It's like the heartbeat of the song. Melody. The main tune of the song. It's the part that you usually sing along to. Scale. A series of notes arranged in order from low to high, like do, re, mi. Measure. A segment of time in music, indicated by vertical lines on a staff, like a counter for beats. Dynamics. This means how loud or soft the music is. Words like piano means soft and forte means loud. These words describe dynamics. Staff, the set of 5 lines in 4 spaces where musical notes are written. Harmony. When 2 or more notes are played together at the same time, it creates a richer sound. Think of a choir singing together. Tempo. The speed of the music. A fast tempo sounds exciting, while a slow tempo might sound calm or sad. That's it for today. See you next time for more musical fun. Hey friends! We want to celebrate you for staying until the end. Simply click the link below and enter to win our coloring and activity book. Thanks again! Winners are announced every Friday. Melody magic with me.